Om Shanti. Let's say mindfulness. Mindfulness refers to being aware of your thoughts, feelings, and experiences in the present moment and accepting them without judgment. माइंडफुलनेस ये है कि आपके विचार, आपकी भावनाएं, आपके अनुभव जो अभी के मोमेंट में चल रहे हैं उसको एक्सेप्ट करो, उसको स्वीकार करो विदाउट जजमेंट, वेदर इट इज रॉन्ग और वेदर इट इज राइट, विदाउट एनी एनालिसिस एक्सेप्ट देम. It enables you to be a compassionate, accepting, and non-judgmental observer of them. Mindfulness-based therapies and methods are becoming increasingly. Mindfulness therapies incorporates elements of more traditional type of theory, such as cognitive behavior therapy or Gestalt therapy. One of the most common and effective way to teach the mindfulness is the use of mindfulness meditation. Therapy clients are taught to quietly focus on nothing but the present moment. During the mindfulness meditation, the thoughts that come up often elicit certain emotion, sadness, fear or joy, and physical reaction, muscle tension or more shallow breathing. Therapy clients are instructed to take the note of those feelings and sensations as well as the particular thoughts that trigger them. By remaining an impartial observer in the moment, they learn to accept rather react to the thoughts. Instead of reacting, accept the thoughts. Mindfulness meditation can be done formally, sitting in a quiet meditation or engaging in a form of mindful movement such as yoga or walking meditation, or informally consciously practicing mindfulness throughout your day-to-day activities. Over day practicing mindfulness fosters the emotional healing. It greatly enhances the self-awareness and insights, making it much easier to stay in the present moment, quiet the mind and handle stressful situations more calmly and effectively. The mindfulness-based intervention is comprised of an intensive 8-week program that essentially combines the mindfulness meditation, yoga and psychoeducation. Mindfulness-based cognitive therapy helps individuals with depression become less reactive to thoughts and feelings that would typically cause the distress. It can be very beneficial in helping to reduce and prevent the future bouts of depression. Acceptance and commitments therapy is rooted in a traditional behavior therapy. It focuses on teaching the people to accept and be mindful of negative thoughts and emotions rather than constantly trying to eliminate or avoid them, which creates more suffering. Being mindful enables them to more effectively make the positive changes they desire. Hakomi therapy. It combines the elements of multiple philosophies and treatment approaches including the Gestalt therapy, neuro-linguistic programming, Ericksonian hypnosis, Taoism and Buddhism. Morita therapy teaches the pupil to accept their thoughts and feelings rather than trying to fix them, while focusing on living life fully and with purpose. By increasing their self-awareness, mindfulness helps them recognize the boosting and allow the thoughts to pass instead. It also helps depressed individuals become more compassionate to both themselves and others. Anxiety. Mindfulness enables them to recognize the worrisome thoughts as merely thoughts rather than facts. By looking at the thoughts from the detached perspective, it takes away the power those thoughts previously had. Addictions and recovery. It is a well-known fact that stress is a major contributor to substance abuse and addiction. Eating disorder. Mindfulness-based theory can be very effective in helping individuals who battle eating disorders, particularly eating disorder and weight management. As with the eating disorder, mindfulness-based treatment is beneficial for both the weight loss and weight management. Insomnia. Many people who struggle with insomnia have difficult time shutting off their mind as they try to fall asleep. Mindfulness-based technique helps the insomnias become aware of the physical sensation and mental activity that can may be keeping them awake, using the meditation techniques of simply focusing on their breath while refraining from judging and thoughts that come up, and consciously noting and releasing the physical tension helps promote the state of relaxation that is conducive to sleep. Take the attitude of impartial observer to any thoughts that may arise. Aim to refrain focus on your breathing. Thoughts may at times distract you from your practice. If this happens, simply and gently brings your focus back to your breath. A mindfulness approach also helps the smoker stop associating their cravings and smoking. Distress associated with the cancer. Mindfulness based theory and technique has shown to be a beneficial in decreasing and negative thoughts and emotions that often go hand in hand with the diagnosis of cancer. Benefits of mindfulness therapy. Decrease the ruminations and other depressive symptoms. Decrease in emotional reactivity. Improve the focus. Improve the relationships. Enhance the working memory. Greater life satisfaction. Less anxiety. Greater the self-awareness and insight. Stress reduction. Increase the intuitiveness. Increase the ability to accept rather than habitually react to unwanted thoughts and feelings. Greater clarity. A greater sense of balanced life. Increase in creativity. Improve ability to handle the challenge effectively. Overall decrease in negative emotions. Physical health benefits of mindfulness includes the stronger immune system, better sleep, improved digestion, decrease in chronic pain, lower blood pressure, less frequent doctor visits. Children and adults can do this benefit from psychotherapy when appropriate diagnoses are made. Related life issues are understood. Om Shanti. Thank you.